Hello, welcome to Natural Healthcare, where we focus on natural health remedies to alleviate common health issues. In our previous video on acid reflux, which is linked below in the description, we talked about the top 4 vitamins to stop acid reflux. To complement that video and provide you with even more helpful solutions to relieving acid reflux symptoms, we're going to be talking about 6 other natural remedies for acid reflux that you can try, including 1 or 2 we would venture to guess that you've probably not heard of before. Do you have any guesses as what those might be? Well, you're going to find out shortly.
Now, if you suffer from acid reflux, you know how uncomfortable and even painful it can be. The good news is that there are some herbal remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms and provide some much-needed relief. And we're going to discover what those are. But before we talk about how to treat acid reflux, let's talk a little about what it is and what causes it.
Acid reflux happens when acid from the stomach goes back up into the esophagus, which is the tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. This condition is formally called gastroesophageal reflux disease, or more commonly referred to as simply GERD. Heartburn, chest pain, and a sour taste in the mouth are all signs. Acid reflux is a common health problem that affects about 20% of people.
There are many things that can lead to acid reflux. One of these is diet. For example, citrus fruits and foods made with tomatoes are high in acid and can cause acid reflux. This condition can also get worse if you eat a lot or lie down after you eat. Acid reflux can also get worse if you drink alcohol or smoke.
There are also some medicines that can cause acid reflux. Aspirin, ibuprofen, and other nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs can cause acid reflux by irritating the lining of the esophagus and stomach. Calcium channel blockers, a type of blood pressure medication, can also cause acid reflux.
Now that we know what acid reflux is and how it works, let's look at some natural ways to treat it. One of these ways is licorice. This herb has been shown to reduce inflammation in the lining of the esophagus and stomach. This can help ease the pain and discomfort of acid reflux. It can also make the mucus coating of the esophagus thicker, which protects the esophagus from stomach acid. But regular licorice can raise blood pressure, so it's important to use DGL or deglycyrrhizated licorice. DGL comes as tablets that you can chew or as a powder that you can mix into a drink.
Slippery elm is another helpful natural remedy. You may be wondering, what is that? It's certainly not something that you hear much about, and you may not even know what it is. But now you will. This herb has a lot of mucilage, which means it can coat the digestive tract and make it feel better. It can also stop inflammation and protect the lining of the stomach. Slippery elm can be taken as a capsule, as a tea, or as a powder that you mix into a drink.
The third thing we can do is use aloe vera. Aloe vera has been used to treat a wide range of health problems, including acid reflux, for hundreds of years. It can help reduce swelling and speed up healing in the lining of the esophagus and stomach. Aloe vera can be taken in the form of capsules, juice, or smoothies.
The fourth is chamomile. This is another herb that naturally calms people down and can help reduce stress, which can cause acid reflux. Chamomile can also help with stomach pain and swelling. You can get it in the form of tea, capsules, or tinctures.
Our fifth natural cure for acid reflux is marshmallow root. You may or may not have heard of this one either, but marshmallow root is another herb that can help coat and calm the digestive tract. It can also help reduce inflammation and protect the lining of the stomach. Marshmallow root can be made into tea or put into pills.
Last but not least, our sixth natural cure for acid reflux is chewing gum. Who would have thought that something as common as chewing gum can help with acid reflux? How is that possible?
Well, allow me to explain. You see, chewing gum can help stimulate saliva production, which can help neutralize stomach acid. In fact, some studies have found that chewing gum after meals can reduce the symptoms of acid reflux. However, it's important to choose a gum that is sugar-free, as sugary gum can actually make acid reflux worse.
It's important to remember that you shouldn't use these herbal remedies as a replacement for any prescribed drugs. Talk to a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements or treatments to your routine.
In addition to these herbal remedies, there are a few changes you can make to your lifestyle that can help reduce how often and how bad your acid reflux is. Here are some excellent practical suggestions.
1. Eat smaller, more frequent meals rather than large, heavy ones. Large meals can put pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, which can cause acid reflux. Eating smaller meals more often can help lower the amount of acid your stomach makes and keep it from backing up into your esophagus. It's also important to chew your food well and slowly so that it can be digested properly. An additional benefit to eating slowly is that it can help you feel full without eating as much.
2. Don't eat or drink these trigger foods. Citrus fruits, tomato-based foods, and fatty or spicy foods can all irritate the esophagus and make acid reflux more likely. Alcohol, caffeine, and tobacco can relax the lower esophageal sphincter and trigger acid reflux. It is helpful to keep a food diary to identify any trigger foods that may be causing your acid reflux symptoms, and try to avoid these foods as much as possible.
3. Put the head of your bed up. Acid reflux is more likely to occur at night when you are lying down. Elevating the head of the bed may help reduce symptoms by keeping stomach acid in the stomach instead of flowing back into your esophagus. You can use a foam wedge or extra pillows to elevate your head and upper body while you sleep.
4. Avoid lying down after eating by not eating right before bed. Acid reflux is more likely to occur when you are lying down, so try to stay upright for at least a few hours after eating. This can help keep stomach acid in the stomach, where it belongs.
5. Wear clothes that are not too tight. When you wear clothes that are too tight, they can put pressure on your stomach and make acid reflux worse. Symptoms may get better if you wear loose, comfortable clothes. This is especially important to think about if you work out or do other things that might make you sweat, because tight clothing can trap sweat and heat against your skin, making acid reflux symptoms worse.
6. Quit smoking. Smoking can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter and increase the production of stomach acid. Quitting smoking may help reduce acid reflux symptoms. There are many resources available to help you quit smoking, including nicotine replacement therapy and prescription medications.
7. Lose weight. Being overweight or obese can put pressure on the abdomen and exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. If you are trying to lose weight, it's important to do so in a healthy way, such as by eating a well-balanced diet and getting regular physical activity.
8. Stay active. Regular physical activity can help reduce acid reflux symptoms by improving digestion and reducing stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity, such as brisk walking or cycling, on most days of the week. It's important to choose activities that you enjoy, as this will make it more likely that you will stick with them.
9. Reduce your stress level with stress reduction techniques. Stress can cause the muscles in the esophagus to relax, making it easier for acid to flow back up. It can also cause your stomach to make more acid. Managing your stress with techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can help you feel less pain from acid reflux.
Remember that these tips should be used in addition to any medications or treatments that your doctor has given you. Before making any changes to your daily routine, it's always a good idea to talk to a doctor or nurse.
If you have frequent or severe acid reflux, these changes to your lifestyle can help you a lot. But if you still have symptoms after trying these remedies and making changes to your lifestyle, you should see a doctor. They can help figure out what's going on and suggest the best way to treat it. Medication to lower the acid in the stomach or surgery to fix any structural problems in the esophagus or stomach can be used.
As you can see, licorice, slippery elm, aloe vera, chamomile, marshmallow root, and chewing gum are all natural remedies that can help relieve acid reflux symptoms. Acid reflux can happen less often and be less painful if you eat smaller meals and avoid foods and drinks that make it happen. If you have acid reflux often, you should see a doctor to get an accurate diagnosis and treatment plan.
If you are interested in finding out more info about some of the products that we have talked about here in this video, we have some recommendations that you can check out in the description section below.
Thanks for watching our video today. We hope these remedies and tips help bring some relief to your acid reflux symptoms. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.